Hello people, today we are cutting up this E46. Alright, so the reason why we are cutting off the fenders, which I touched on before, is we have this Streetfighter LA Widebody kit that we are swapping out this laborious job of metal wide-bodied fenders for. Again, just due mostly to the fact that the style that the original owner was going for with this is not the same style that I would like for the car. And also this car is going to be track driven and probably gonna end up doing some stupid shit. So in the bad circumstances that I do end up hitting something and accidentally breaking an overfender, doing bolt-on makes it a lot easier just to remove it, get a replacement, get it repainted, and just stick it back on the car without having to worry about an entire quarter panel or an entire fender being ruined. So we're about to jack her up, I'm gonna get the wheels off, and then I'm gonna start cutting. Well everyone, KB wanted me to say something about us getting the rears completed, so here you are. The rears are completed. Wasn't hard. So now we're moving on to the fronts, and hopefully by the end of today she'll be done. Okay everyone, we got the kit fitted. Well, we got like 85% of the kit fitted. I'm still waiting on the front and rear bumpers to get over here to be able to mock them up and then fit the little extensions to finish the kit off. But we got the main portion, the front and rear fenders done, and I'm stoked. It looks like what I thought it was gonna look like, because I've seen other cars with the kit. But compared to the bodywork that was done prior, which great craftsmanship and workmanship, but like just not my style again, this is like a bajillion times better to me. So I'm going to go ahead and find whatever interior pieces I can find in these boxes of parts that we have for this car, and go ahead and start assembling as much as I can of that, so I have a better idea of what I need to order for the car to get it 100% finished. We've got the rear seat delete and the rear poly windows coming in. So sometime this week I'm gonna be ordering a new front windshield, getting that put on, and then once the other poly windows come in, I'm gonna get the poly windows PPF'd, ceramic coated, and then, and the door windows and the front windshield will be getting ceramic coated as well, and then I'll be sending it to get tinted as well, and we will just be continuing to make progress. Hey everyone, so today we are putting on these Hard Motorsports lightweight door card replacements. Because it's a race car, trying to make it as light as possible. Also, the orange interior, not my thing at all. So this is pretty much what I've done in almost every single one of my like race car builds that I've done like myself in the past. Never Hard Motorsports, but nothing ever European before. So doing this time, the material's solid, the fitment is awesome. It says in the instructions that you need to cut away a little bit, and they added extra for that purposely. I don't think I'm going to. I think it's fine. They also at some point like switched up the hardware that they're using, which makes no sense at all to me. So I found their like original YouTube video of like showing how they install the door cards with the previous like generation hardware that they used, which was like riv nuts, a spacer, and then another bolt for the door. I'm going to pretty much be doing that, just minus the spacer because I don't have any. I don't feel like making any. So I already have the doors riv nutted, and I have bolts I'm going to be using with washers, and I'm just going to bolt it up and snug it up to the door to where the bolts aren't going to want to back out and the door's not going to go anywhere or doing any rattling or anything. So I've already got this one drilled out. I have the OEM handle in right now. I am waiting for Hard to come back out with their RS style pull tabs. and then I'll be swapping over to those like immediately. But I've got this piece together, so I'm about to go ahead and get it on the door. One other thing that I've done already that I didn't share is the pull tab to close the door is already on. So we're gonna be putting this guy back on the handle, placing the door card up, and bolting her down. So we suck at making video endings. This one is for the flares and the door card install. Everything, or that stuff's done. We are still waiting for the rear side windows to come in, and then getting all of the poly stuff PPF'd, and then everything ceramic coated, and then the windows all tinted. Waiting for bumpers to come in, and then I'll be able to finish up the wide body kit, and she'll be ready to go off to paint. I have headlights, taillights, I have my kidney grills and side vents. We're going to be doing some stuff to the exhaust, and I still need to order my tees that I'm getting for the car. And then there's a few interior pieces that I'm still waiting on and that I'm going to have to make myself. So there's a little bit left to do, but we're almost there. Pretty much just a waiting game now. So we'll see you next time on the E46 build.